Furniture for small spaces has a habit of overpromising and underdelivering. It claims to be clever, flexible, and comfortable, then quietly fails at one of those jobs. The MAXYOYO Loveseat sofa bed takes a different route. It keeps things simple, functional, and surprisingly thoughtful, and that's exactly why it works. At first glance, this 64-inch Loveseat looks casual and modern, the kind of piece that fits naturally into apartments, dorms, teen bedrooms, or guest rooms without demanding a redesign of the entire space. Upholstered in soft corded fabric, it feels breathable and pleasant to the touch, not plasticky or thin. The texture adds warmth without trapping heat, making it comfortable for long movie nights or lazy afternoons. What makes this sofa stand out is its flexibility. It folds and unfolds easily into 4 usable modes: a standard Loveseat, a Loveseat with cup holders, a floor sofa bed, and a sofa bed with cup holders. This sounds like marketing until it's actually used. The transformation is intuitive and quick. No heavy lifting or confusing mechanisms. It adapts to the moment, whether that means sitting upright with a drink, stretching out to watch a show, or laying it flat for a guest who decided to stay over. The wide armrests are more than decorative. Built-in cup holders keep drinks stable and closed, while side pockets hold remotes, phones, books, or magazines. It's a small detail, but it changes how the space feels. Everything stays within reach, which makes the sofa feel intentional rather than temporary. The metal liners inside the cup holders add durability and make cleanup easier. Inside, this is a full foam sofa with no traditional wood or metal frame. That might raise eyebrows, but the structure holds its shape better than expected. The high-density foam offers firm, even support, closer to a firm mattress than a plush couch. Sitting feels stable, and lying down doesn't result in sinking or uneven spots. 2 average adults can sit comfortably, and there's enough room to share the space without feeling cramped. The seat runs deep, so the included pillows help bring the back support forward when sitting upright. The 2 matching pillows are generous and supportive, though a bit firm for sleeping. They work best as back cushions rather than bed pillows, which suits the design. The sofa itself is comfortable enough for sleeping short-term, especially for guests or kids, but it shines most as a lounging and relaxation piece rather than a replacement for a full mattress. One of the biggest advantages here is convenience. The sofa arrives vacuum-sealed, rolled up, and ready to expand. There's no assembly in the traditional sense. Once the packaging is removed, it begins to regain its shape quickly, reaching most of its full form within an hour and continuing to settle over the next couple of days. It's an oddly satisfying process, watching it come to life without tools, screws, or frustration. Maintenance hasn't been ignored either. The sofa and pillow covers are removable and washable, which matters in real homes with spills, pets, or teenagers who treat furniture like a second backpack. Removing and replacing the cover takes a bit of patience, but the option itself is valuable and rare at this price point. There are limits, and they're worth noting. The armrests aren't designed to support body weight, and sitting on them isn't recommended. This isn't a rough and tumble sofa meant for jumping or climbing. It's a thoughtful, space-aware piece meant to be used as intended. For anyone working with limited square footage and needing furniture that can change roles without drama, the MAXYOYO Loveseat sofa bed makes a strong case. It looks good, feels solid, adapts easily, and doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It's practical comfort, done honestly, and that's harder to find than it should be.